Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily connect Trello to Slack. So all you have to do is head over to Trello.com and log into your account. Also make sure that you're logged in to your Slack account. Next, just head back to Trello and make sure that you already have that existing board that you're going to connect to Slack. And in our case, we're going to choose this board. Just click on the board, and from here in the left panel, you should be able to see workspace settings. Just click on it, then click on workspace settings. So from here, you can easily see Slack workspaces linking. And for you to be able to connect Trello and Slack, all you have to do is click on add to Slack. From here, just scroll down, and all you have to do is grant access permissions by clicking on allow. And you're going to need to give access to your account. So all you have to do once again is click on allow. And just by that, as you can see, Trello and Slack are now connected to each other. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Now we'll see you again on the next one. Bye!